If your ambition looks like innovation, you're a pioneer, and pioneers belong with us. The Oregon UAS Accelerator is back for its second cohort, launching in March 2025. We're calling on the brightest minds in unmanned aerial and robotic systems to join a transformative journey, gain unparalleled access to industry leaders, cutting-edge technology, and a network of visionaries. This is not just an accelerator, it's a launch pad for your groundbreaking ideas. Our last cohort saw startups soar, securing funding and forging partnerships that redefine the industry. Now it's your turn. Imagine your company equipped with the resources and mentorship to disrupt the market and lead with innovation. Applications are open now. Don't miss your chance to be at the forefront of the next tech revolution. Visit our website and apply today to the Oregon UAS Accelerator, because the future of flight is here and it starts with you.